Hey guys, it's Brandon here for Nikkia's very first dance tutorial. Ooh, look at her go. Just tricks, it's makeup. First we're going to put this orange shit all over our face. I'm not quite sure what it is, but whatever it is, it smells good. Allegedly. Keep putting it on there, under the eyes, on the nose, pat your face. Oh, and we're done. And I think we got some foundation here, 2 shades, just because you need that on the back of the hand, and this black squishy thing to put it on there. Just keep going, put it all over there, cover your whole face. Oh, the other side. Yep. Keep whacking that on there, under the eyes. Look at the camera while you do it. Oh, on top of the eyes. Just make sure you close your eyes when you do that. On the neck. Look at the camera again. Ooh yeah. And I think we're done. Oh, double brow. Oh, this could be interesting. Here we go. We're going to choose this one here and smack it on in there. Keep stroking. Oh, get those tips good. Get them extra pointy. Yeah, we want our brows on fleek. Oh, extra careful. Yeah, there we go. And we've got some pink glittery stuff on the eyes. Yep. Back and forth. Windscreen wiper motions. Yep. Back and forth. And the other eye. Put it on there. Yep. Nice and glittery. And again. Keep putting it on there. We want it on real good. On the eye. Yep. Pat it on there. Oh, and underneath the eye as well. Here we go. And some black mascara in a pink tube. Make your lashes look extra dark for that sultry look. On the other eye. Keep going. Oh, and here's some really good lashes. Yeah, we really like these lashes. They're really good lashes. If you're looking for some good lashes, these ones are good. Put it on there. Real easy to put on apparently. Stick it on there and voila. Ooh. Born This Way. Not sure what that is, but we put it under the eye on both sides. Just like that. Oh, on the forehead, down the nose. Yep, it's like painting. Oh, we got that black squishy thing again. And we're back to patting it all over the face. Pat it until it disappears. Yep. Smack, smack, smack. On there. Yep. Under the eye. Keep going. Make sure you open your mouth when you do it until it's all gone. Oh, really press it on the nose. And this stick of some darker brown thing, we're going to draw a line here on your brow, from your ear, on your cheek, on your forehead, ooh, under your lip, and on the nose. This is where the magic happens. You just draw it on there. It's like war paint, ready for war. And we blend it out, just patting it in with this magic black squishy thing. It seems to do all the work. Really press it. Seems to be working. Oh, it's a bit difficult, that bit there. Oh, NJC. Oh, here we go. This stuff smells amazing. I can always smell it when Nikkia wears this stuff. Under the eyes. Press it on there. Oh, yeah. There you go. Dab it on the nose, on the forehead. That black sponge thing's really doing the job, isn't it? More powder. I think this is baking. Should be in the kitchen. Oh, on a brush. And we just put all that powder on and now we take it off. Not sure what that's about. Looking good. And, oh, more brown stuff. And more lines in the spot that we put stuff before. Here we go. Oh, up the top. Yep. Sweep it into your hair, because that's what you do. And the other side. You can't forget the other side. Oh, and it looks the same as the one before, but you know, I could be wrong. In the same spot. Look at the camera while you do it. Illuminate. Oh, pretty. Oh, I think we're taking this one here. Oh, and in the same spot again. We've got to make this spot shiny. Ooh. Yes, she likes that. And the other side. Get the glow on. A glow hoe. On the nose, on the lip. Oh, pout them lips while you do it. Don't get it in your eye. Be extra shiny. Oh, this stuff goes everywhere. Who would have known? And some lipstick. Oh, kiss the lipstick. I'm not sure if that's what you meant to do, but on the lips, the slower the better. All colour inside the lines. And boom! There you go. What a hottie. And that's everything. Thanks guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'm off to have a cold shower.